No, I wasn't giving any lessons in managing money.
I left school with no idea what to do, how to manage money.
I didn't have any lessons about managing money.
Ches I erioed yn yr ysgol unrhyw wersi am arian neu am wario arian.
Left school not really thinking that I had the skills to manage my own money.
Did have a couple of lessons in regards to managing money, especially myself where I took business studies.
Left school and I had to go into a job to feel like I could have those skills.
Felt confident that I had the skills to know how money worked.
Sa'n meddwl o gwbl o'n i'n hyderus ynglyn a fy ngallu I ymdelio ag arian mewn ffordd synhwyrol ar ôl gadael yr ysgol.
I have to sort of go, learn from mistakes and errors more than just knowing what to do straight off.
It definitely affected my ability to look after my money.
It's made me feel like I don't really see the importance of saving.
Definitely given me a boost because it's something that everyone needs to be made aware of because it's an important skill within life.
If I had to take out a loan or a mortgage, I wouldn't know where to start.
I wouldn't be able to do it independently by myself.
Not have the skills to take out a loan or arrange anything like that.
I wouldn't be able to cope financially if I was had an unexpected problem.
If I was faced with an unexpected problem, I would be in panic mode and I wouldn't know what to do.
Things like when you're renting a house for the first time, you don't know things about letting agency fees and having to put down deposits.
If I didn't have the financial funds, I'd always know where to go, where to take out a loan, how to take it out and when to pay the interest back on it.
Nid ydw i'n credu bod gen I y sgiliau neu'r ymwybyddiaeth er mwyn wneud pethau fel cymryd morgais.
I think it'd be a great tool, like if I had actual financial education in school.
A proper financial education would be very beneficial to me.
It will influence a lot of people, like a wide variety of aspects of people's lives.
It would have benefited me and made me prioritise things like saving.
Bydde gwersi mewn nid ariannu bod y cyfryw ond y ffyrdd o wario arian yn synhwyrol ac sydd wedi drefnu a strwythuro gwariant gan y blaen. Hwnna'n fuddiol iawn.
It'd be a great benefit, you know, not to only myself but to people who are actually grown up.